Hey, Dr. Perez here. Let's talk about migraines. There's some interesting features of the Western pathophysiology of it that I feel makes Eastern medicine well suited for these patients. So I'm talking about cortical spreading depression. So that is a certain spot in your brain somewhere starts a wave of excitation followed by a wave of inhibition, and that explains the aura, the neurological symptoms, and then the pain after. There are other features of the pathophysiology that they've worked out so far that are kind of in this vein. So they found there's both genetic and environmental factors. So it's both inside and outside. There was talk about waves of vasoconstriction and vasodilation, and there's sites both intra and extracranial that interact together to form the symptoms. So these sort of things in Chinese medicine thought of as disharmony between excess and deficient organs. So excess organs are working too much, deficient organs not working enough, and that amounts for a kind of gumming up of the works in the middle. And I found that acupuncture is pretty good at undoing these knots, smoothing out the wrinkles, making the ups go up and the downs go down, that kind of thing. And it's quite effective. You can, if you figure out like what this symptom pattern is, it's not hard. Just start dragging things back in the direction they go, and you can alleviate the pain quite quickly. And even have patients come in and they're still in the aura phase. The headache hasn't happened yet. And then, I harmonize them with the needles, and then the aura stops, and then the headache never comes. You stop it dead in its tracks before it even happens. So if you're interested in finding out how Eastern medicine can harmonize your imbalances, contact us today.